Have you ever caught a whiff of a soothing lavender scent and instantly felt a wave of calm wash over you? This is what all aromatherapy is about. Let me tell you more. Aromatherapy is a form of complementary and alternative medicine used for centuries. A systematic review done in 2017 showed the positive effect of aromatherapy in relieving both the physical and psychological effects of depression. But how does it work its magic? When you breathe in these scents, essential oils release tiny molecules into the air, which travel through your nose and reach the brain with the help of receptors sensitive to smell present in your nose, called olfactory receptors. Once your brain receives these scents, it releases a symphony of happy hormones, such as serotonin, endorphins, and dopamine. These hormones then help regulate mood, sleep, and digestion. Try aromatherapy at home, it helps. And follow a healthy info for more.